Kekenhun jong kini lam Niam ke Jylla. Antakasi kan rutrik jembang ada kuat Ïakynduh yang mesti ramba okonda sangma man pensngau ya kejing sngau jong ki Halor kejing persya na kamta kejing pelong ki kami khlia ke Jylla ki kami Ïakhalai.
The purpose of our meeting with him this afternoon was actually to convey to convey our concern on this legalization of gambling in the state. When the news came out that legalization of gambling in the state has happened, this gave us a shock to the forum. So we, in our meeting, we have issued a press release 2 days ago, and we shared our concern. Our concern is because of the immoral aspect of this. It affects the morality, the character of the citizens of the state, from individuals to families. Number 2 is that a person who is engaged in gambling or a problem gambler, studies have shown that there are several detrimental effects, detrimental impacts, affecting the individual's health, his mental health, one's mental health, and it also leads to criminal activities. There are possibilities of criminal activities affecting the individual, affecting the family, affecting the society in different ways. Gambling is not encouraged by all Christian leaders, all church leaders. Any form of gambling is not encouraged at all. This act having come out fast like this, we have asked the government to repeal this act. But as it has not yet been implemented, we cannot give any word now, because we need to discuss as a forum to see what is going to happen next. That decision I'm not aware of. Even the Honorable CM has not indicated that to us. So that decision and that announcement we are not aware of. Honorable Chief Minister, when we had a discussion with him, is very frank and very clear in what he has mentioned to us. The assurance is, number 1, they have not started it yet. Although the act is there, they have not yet implemented it. It is still in the process of discussion. The government has not taken any decision to implement it. If at all this is implemented, the stakeholders will be the views of different stakeholders.
Kano ka benta ko ite ko Ïakhalai kung Nongïalam trong Niam Kristan Niam penslu yaki brio ki pakile simet Niamla ban khang hari kung Nongïalam trong balang kung Nongïalam Niam Kristan Niam penslu ya kano ka benta ko ite ko Ïakhalai lak long ko